Hey folks, my name is David Frost, and this video is coming to you on September 5th, 2015, and the main reason why I'm making this video is as a result of all the confusion that's out there in terms of what the market is going to do next. And so I thought I would make a video that clears up some things for the folks that have a little bit of uncertainty in their lives in terms of the market and where and when it's going to make its next bigger move. And I thought you would appreciate a little bit of insight into what my members are hearing from me on a regular daily basis. Each and every night I put out a video to members, and it gives them an idea of what to expect in the market on the next day and days and even weeks following. So they're completely abreast of what's going on the stock market, the gold market, the oil market, the bond market, some stocks along the way, and a lot of other things, including a lot of lessons in how to trade various ways and methodologies that can make them consistent profits along the way. So what I want to do today is show you a couple of things that relate to where we are in the market and what to expect next. Now, you've got two camps out there. You've got a camp full of bears and you have a camp full of bulls. And the bears are suggesting that the market's going to go down further and retest the lows. And the bulls are suggesting that this is a great buying opportunity, and this is the time and this is the point in time in which you have to put money to work, because this is an opportunity to pick up stocks and the market and other things on the cheap. And if you're a long-term investor, these are the times when you need to step up and put your money to work, put it away, and look for the long term. So a couple of things I wanted to mention to you that my members were privy to, and I want to show you this now on the charts. If you look up in this area here, and if you've seen any of my videos in the past, you know that this particular triangle pattern was on my charts for probably around 5 or 6 weeks. And my members knew that once we were going to get to the end of this triangle where it pinches together, or before, the market was going to break down. And I was telling them without a shadow of a doubt for several months, not only weeks, that the next direction of the market was going to be this, okay? There's a couple of things that I use to determine the methodology in which I predict the market and forecast the markets, one of which being market cycles, and my members understand how I determine market cycles to an extent, and the other thing is pure math. And the mathematics enables me to not only determine where the market may find support areas, okay, like here and here and here, okay, but it's also an area where I use math to determine when a market may break down. And so you put all these things together, and I'm able to provide my members a pretty accurate roadmap of what they should expect going forward each and every day. And if something changes in the market, we certainly take the new data into account and change with it. But what I want to point out is that there's an interesting next phase of the market that's developing here. And my members are completely with the understanding of what the next phase is going to be. And when you watch television or you read the blogs and you see some folks say this is a buying opportunity and some folks say that this is an opportunity to sell because the market's going to go further down, I want you to understand that my members are fully aware of what and why I think the next thing is likely to happen and when. And when relates to the cycles, and there are some upcoming very important cycles that most people are not aware of. So what I want you to do is come over to My Strategic Forecast, take a 2-week free trial, and see for yourself. I'll send you these videos each and every day, the same videos that the members get every single day, and you'll be fully aware of what I'm telling members, what the likely next scenario is for the market to play out, and you'll be able to see for yourself whether I'm right or wrong. And I can tell you in large part, the majority of the time, more than 80% of the time, we're right on the money, not only in price, but in time. So come on over to My Strategic Forecast, take a 2-week free trial, and see for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. See the forecast for yourself. See it real time. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I appreciate you paying attention to MyStrategicForecast.com.